Hello guys, how are you? It's Bello here from G Studios, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to clean your camera lens, especially Canon, and this is a 18 to 135 mm. It's a zoom lens, so basically these things always apply to all the lenses, but specifically today I'm going to show you how to dismantle your 18 to 135 mm Canon lens. So let's get started, and these are what you're going to need. You're going to need a dry tissue, you're going to need some wipers, you're going to need a screw opener, the small size, the one that you use to open your phones. You're going to need some clips. Yeah, so welcome guys, let's get started. You're going to disconnect your lens from your camera or vice. If you don't know how to do that, maybe I'll show you in another video. You're going to need to remove your lens hood. If you have one, you remove your lens hood. So guys, this is our lens now. As you can see, it's so dirty from inside. So we're going to clean both sides of the lens. And the first thing you're going to do is to open your lens. And how are you going to open your lens? We'll use a clip to remove the outer cover of your lens. You need this to open here. So yes, so you're going to need to remove this cover first. Then you're going to take your screw and you're going to open it gentle and slow to avoid losing control of your screw, because it might scratch the outer part of your lens. So you're going to remove your screws. There we go. There we go. I have my screws with me. I'm going to keep them somewhere safe. So let me just place them there. The next thing you're going to do is to take your clip, and you want to push this closure. You want to push it this way, and when you reach the far end, you're going to do this. It's as simple as that. So guys, this is it. This is the part which is very dirty, and it's normally this side is always clean. It doesn't get dirt, as you can see, because all the time is always inside the camera. So in a very rare case, you'll need to clean this side. Yeah, so that's it guys. So let's get started. We're going to get some dry tissue paper, and we're going to clean this side. We're going to clean this side. So after you clean that, we're going to come to this side, and of course going to come to this side, which has a lot of dust. You're going to clean it very gentle as well. So you're going to come back to this side and clean. So you need to clean it very well, all round, I mean. So this is the part where you need your wipes. I'm using baby wipes here. It's funny, I know, but who cares? Who cares? Next, I'm going to take some wipe. The reason why I'm going to use this wipe is because it's somehow moistured. It has some moisture in it. Yeah, so you need to use a wipe. See, that's clean. You also need to clean the sides so that it doesn't jump back to the lens. You have to do it very gently. It's clean, very clean. See, it's a lot of dust. So that's it, and it's time to put it back. So this one can be very tricky, but simply it's repeating the same process that you did. You're going to need to lock it inside because this is all done. You're going to need to insert it, and you're going to do this until it clicks somewhere in there. So as I was saying, it's very simple. It's something that you have to repeat the process. The way you removed it is the same way you're going to return it. So once you insert it, you rotate and you make sure it clamps to the edges, and that's it. And you need to clean the upper part before you return the cover. There you go. As good as new. Now you're going to return your screws. So finally you're going to have to return the cover and make sure it has enough glue on it. Yes, so it's all done, and that was it. It's as easy as that. So you can clean your lens, or you can make money cleaning lens. But I hope you've learned a new skill, and it's going to help you out. Yeah, so I'm going to return it to the camera and see how it performs. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment. Peace guys.